Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that affects all of us, our immune system and how we can boost it to fight off illness. So, if you want to stay healthy and keep those pesky bugs at bay, stick around as we reveal the top 5 foods for boosting your immune-boosting foods is, drumroll please, berries. Yes, those tiny, colorful fruits are bursting with immune-boosting goodness. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage and bolster our immune system. Antioxidants work by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation, and strengthening the immune response. Berries are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a powerhouse of nutrition. Plus, they are delicious and versatile, making them an excellent addition to your meals, snacks, or smoothies. These immune-boosting foods are not only delicious, but also play a crucial role in maintaining overall well-being. Remember, a healthy immune system is key to staying healthy and warding off illnesses. While incorporating these immune-boosting foods into your diet is important, it's equally important to adopt other healthy habits to support your immune system. Let's discuss some additional practices that can help keep your immune system in top shape. First and foremost, staying hydrated is essential for a strong immune system. Water plays a vital role in transporting nutrients, oxygen, and immune cells throughout your body. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and support the proper functioning of your immune system. Regular exercise is another powerful tool for boosting your immune system. Physical activity not only improves circulation, but also enhances the production and circulation of immune cells in your body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Whether it's going for a brisk walk, cycling, swimming, or practicing yoga, find activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. In addition to hydration and exercise, getting enough quality sleep is crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. During sleep, your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, including the immune system. Lack of sleep can weaken your immune response and make you more susceptible to infections. Reducing stress levels is also vital for supporting your immune system. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system and make you more prone to illness. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing relaxation techniques, engaging in hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or seeking professional help if needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. And 2, we have green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are just a few examples of the nutrient-rich leafy greens that can supercharge your immune system. These vegetables are loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, all of which contribute to a healthy immune response. Vitamin A helps regulate the immune system and maintain the integrity of the skin and mucous membranes, which are the body's first line of defense. Vitamin C promotes the production of white blood cells, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting immune cells from damage. Additionally, the fiber in these vegetables supports a healthy gut, further strengthening your immune system. So make sure to include a generous portion of leafy greens in your daily diet. 3, we have yogurt. Yogurt is an excellent source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support our gut health. A healthy gut is closely linked to a strong immune system. The probiotics in yogurt help maintain a balanced gut flora, reducing the risk of infections and supporting the body's defense mechanisms. They also enhance the production of antibodies, which are proteins that recognize and neutralize harmful pathogens. So, grab a cup of yogurt for a delicious garlic. Besides adding incredible flavor to our dishes, garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has powerful antimicrobial properties. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, and it helps to ward off bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Consuming garlic regularly can help boost your immune system and protect your body against various infections. Additionally, garlic has been shown to reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu, so don't hesitate to add some. Number 5, we have citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not only refreshing and delicious, but they are also powerhouses of immune-boosting nutrients. These fruits are packed with vitamin C, which is known to stimulate the production and activity of white blood cells, the superheroes of our immune system. White blood cells, also known as leukocytes, play a crucial role in fighting off infections and protecting our bodies. They are responsible for identifying and destroying harmful pathogens, such as bacteria and viruses. By increasing the production of white blood cells, vitamin C helps strengthen our immune response, enabling our bodies to fend off illness more effectively. But that's not all. Vitamin C also acts as a potent antioxidant, meaning it helps to neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to our cells and weaken our immune system. By reducing the damage caused by free radicals, vitamin C promotes overall immune health and supports our body's defense mechanisms. So, the next time you're in the produce aisle, don't forget to grab some citrus fruits. Incorporate oranges, lemons, grapefruits, or even tangy lime into your diet. You can enjoy them as a snack, squeeze fresh citrus juice, or add slices to your water for a refreshing twist. With their high vitamin C content, citrus fruits are a tasty and nutritious way to give your immune system a boost. Remember, variety is key when it comes to a healthy diet, so don't limit yourself to just one type of citrus fruit. Each variety offers its unique combination of flavors and nutrients. Experiment with different citrus fruits to add diversity to your meals and snacks and reap the benefits of their immune-boosting properties. Incorporating citrus fruits into your daily diet is a simple and delicious way to support your immune system. Whether you enjoy a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice in the morning or add lemon zest to your favorite recipes, these tangy fruits will provide you with a good dose of vitamin C and other essential nutrients. However, keep in mind that while vitamin C is important for immune function, it's also essential to maintain a balanced diet overall. Don't rely solely on citrus fruits for your immune health. Combine them with other immune-boosting foods we'll be discussing in this video to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. So, start incorporating citrus fruits into your diet today and give your immune system the support it needs to keep you healthy and protected. Stay tuned for the rest of our countdown as we reveal more fantastic foods for boosting your immune system and fighting off illness.